Today we have a Ford Festiva 1997 model, so the rego says. There's the rego. It's a 1.5 litre, automatic, so it's real easy to drive, make a good learner car, and we'll see what we can do with it. Anyway, we're going to have to change the front tyre because, as you can see,
and that's bad.
So when you can't afford to get your tyres fixed, because the reason this is happening is because of this over the road when we go down the highway at 100 k's and you feel that rattle. So you need a wheel alignment, but we can't afford a wheel alignment this week. So we're just going to swap the tyres over to the back to get a couple more weeks out of the tyre if we don't get pulled over. And hopefully we'll make the car safer. We'll make the car much, much safer. We'll wait for the straight. We're just going around the corner. But I don't think there's anything illegal about slamming my brakes on. So, oh no, it's 60. We'll do 60. 60, brake, go. Alright, cool. We sort of went sideways a bit there, but it worked. I'd say 10, 15 metres. Oh yes it is. So, we're going to change the tyre. So, what's down here? Oh look, jack. This thing. Jack. The turny thingy. And another safety device. Alright, now let's go around to the wheels. What we're first going to do is pull these off. What is here to say hello for the day? Pull this one off. Cool. Kobe's gotten into these things. Give me a hand today. Don't pull all that out. We don't need all that.
So we got all this for this car.
That's a safety thing so you can work on it. There's the bit that we're missing. No, not that. This. Wheel nuts. Now because we don't have a U-Butte impact gun, we've got to undo them by hand. Now stop. Stop. You just crack it while it's on the ground. And you just tread on it nicely. That little bit. And then go to the next one. Nicely done. Because we're changing that tyre and that tyre at the same time, we're going to need a second jack. And we're going to need a brick. And those boards. Yeah. So, if you can see under there, where you want to place it is like on a lip. So that little lip there. So you place the board under there, and now we're right. And it should be right to jack it up. We put this in here, and we're zooming. Now you can undo those the rest of the way, and I'll place the black one. You just want to loosen it. We'll leave it now, you've done it. Yeah, I'll do it. Just jack the car up the rest of the way and we're taking all the studs off now. And we'll remove this tyre and replace it. It's a good one. They've got studs on the back wheels and I'm just trying to do this and it's so dangerous. One, I've got to rest my foot under the wheel instead of just getting it on the studs. And two, like if I'm trying to get here with a stud and I'm holding it and my fingers are going to get chopped off. Stupid design. I thought I'd just share that a little bit with you.
So now Dad is doing the rest of the beads or whatever they call it.
Studs.
Studs.
Don't forget to be safe, people, and use jack stands where possible.
Pretty weird how you change a tyre.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Check the suspension wire up under here too.
And
Oh, that's another thing. Don't place your hands here. We stay away from this area. Don't put your hands under there.
because if the tyre falls on you, you're probably gonna have maybe a broken finger.
Yeah, we don't have any safety stands. Where are the safety stands?
And within 5 minutes you can change a tyre.
Alright, down here. Go check the brakes. And always keep a tyre under it. So it does.
Yep. So then you don't damage all your brakes and stuff like that.
Do you always do diagonal when you tighten stuff up? I don't think it matters for when you loosen, but when you tighten, I think you meant to go diagonally. And I didn't even follow one that I said I was going to do. Oh well. Oh no, here come the kids. Help. So I don't hurt my back, I make the boy do it. Explain the hubcap.
So this goes on the front of the tyre, over the rim. So we have to find a little nudge. So here's a little nudge, and that lines up with this thing. What's that?
Yeah. And that spring bit of metal's got to go in the rim. Remember to put it all back when you're done. Otherwise, you'll be without it on the road. Should see if it'll roll down the hill if I leave it in neutral with the handbrake up. Oh, some cars do that. Some cars do that!